Hi, my name is Lenny Leiter and I'm the founder of DeepYou Technologies, and today we're here to introduce to you something really revolutionary, the DeepYou ONE.
Hey there!
A while ago, I started noticing that our face was designed to more or less always look the same, and making more profound changes to it is time-consuming, uncomfortable, and sometimes painful. And in a time when your online face capabilities are improving every single day through AI, filters, and animojis, that's just sad. So I started to develop a technology called DeepYou. With DeepYou, your offline face can be as adaptable as your online face. Reveal your real you, be anything or anyone, with just a tap of your finger. It's for the stage, the catwalk, the movies, dating, partying, hustling, sports, arts, politics, you name it. DeepYou can boost your you in literally any situation.
It's the best thing ever. No more bad hair day, no more what happened to your face, no more did you call the police.
I am finally getting paid a fair amount for my job. Thank you, DeepYou.
Before, being pulled over by the police has always been a stressful moment for me. Now cops ask me to touch their taser.
I used to hold back my opinions in real life, but not anymore. Your product sucks and you're an ugly
I like to pretend I'm Morgan Freeman.
It gives me so much confidence. I do things I wouldn't have dared before.
I cry sometimes. But now people just think it's a filter.
I like your new single. Me too.
Our team of passionate designers and engineers have worked for months to make the DeepYou quite versatile, fairly easy to use, almost lightweight, pretty durable, and kinda pretty. We kept redesigning every single component with the utmost attention to detail until we got everything about it okay-ish. The DeepYou ONE comes with a powerful exchangeable battery, a Bluetooth speaker, our patented X-ray See the Outside technology, and it's compatible with most current smartphone models and operating systems. And for a small extra charge, you get the DeepYou ONE Pro with a voice changer.
We hope that you back our campaign and help us bring the DeepYou ONE to life.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.